Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, Ramadan is just around the corner. It's time to prepare ourselves spiritually. In today's video, we will be sharing some tips on how to be ready for this blessed month. Let's get started. The first step to being spiritually ready for Ramadan is to prepare our hearts. Take a moment each day to reflect on your intentions and goals for this month. Set your intentions to seek forgiveness, increase your worship, and strengthen your connection with Allah. Ramadan is the month of Quran. Dedicate time each day to recite and contemplate on the words of the Quran. Let the words of Allah purify and enlighten your soul. Make Quran reading schedules and try to complete entire Quran during Ramadan. Another way to prepare spiritually is to practice charity and kindness. Give back to community by helping the less fortunate. Donate to charity organizations or volunteer your time at local shelters. Small act of kindness can go a long way in purifying your hearts. My brothers and sisters, have you ever wondered why it feels easier to resist temptations during this holy month? Well, the answer lies in the fact that Allah locks up the shaitan, the devil, during Ramadan. Shaitan is a powerful creation made out of smokeless fire who disobeyed Allah's command by refusing to prostrate to Adam alayhis salam. Since then, Shaitan has been inciting humans towards evil and leading them astray. But during Ramadan, Allah in His infinite mercy restricts the influence of Shaitan, making it easy for believers to focus on their spiritual journey. My brothers and sisters, during Ramadan, the gates of paradise are open and the gates of hellfire are closed while the devils are chained. This chaining of Shaitan serves as a respite of believers, allowing them to strengthen their relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and gain spiritual purification. It is a time when Muslims are encouraged to increase their acts of worship such as fasting, prayer, recitation of Quran, and charity. During Ramadan, the rewards of every prayer is multiplied. Take advantage of this special time by increasing your prayers. Wake up for tahajjud and perform extra voluntarily prayers. Strengthen your relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through constant and sincere supplications. My brothers and sisters, Laylatul Qadr, also known as Night of Power, it is a special night that falls within the last 10 nights of Ramadan. It is a night that holds great importance. Laylatul Qadr is mentioned in Holy Quran, in Surah Al-Qadr. It is a night that is better than 1,000 months. Just imagine, every good deed performed in this night is equivalent to the reward of carrying out that deeds over 83 years. SubhanAllah. The significance of Laylatul Qadr is so immense that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam advised us to seek it in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. It is a night of mercy, forgiveness, and spiritual elevation. It is a night when gates of heavens are open and prayers are readily accepted. To be spiritually ready, it is important to refrain from negativity, avoid gossips, backbiting, and any form of harmful speech. Use this month to focus on self-improvement and purify your tongue. Replace the negative thoughts with the positive one and surround yourself with uplifting company. Lastly, take time to reflect on the blessings of Ramadan. Appreciate the opportunity to fast, pray, and seek closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Remember, Ramadan is not just about abstaining from food and drink, but it's about month of self-discipline, gratitude, and spiritual growth. Jazakallah khair. Happy Ramadan to all.